What's up, YouTube? So, we're back at it again with the 2003 Chevy Avalanche. New paint scheme, painted up a little bit different this time. New steel front bumper. Looky. Think it's gonna hold up pretty good this time. Nice big steel behind it, gusted to the frame. Stop. Oh yeah, gusted all the way over there. And she runs like a beaut now. So, we're going to be trying to do a live feed of the race this time. Needs to get a little more paint right over here. Up there. Needs to put my numbering on the side, my numbers. Up there. Right there on the other side. Put my thing up there. Put my name back there for the sponsorship. Put the sponsorship across the hood right here. Tough Guys Enterprises sponsoring this vehicle right here, along with the number 13, number 96 over there. So we have that one too, buddy. That's being drove by Daniel this time. That's being drove by my cousin Tony up there. Trailer already on there, getting ready to go for tomorrow. Added some more supporting so I can grab onto some stuff. All that. All right there. So she's ready to go. She's ready for the action again. She's ready to go see that track. New paint scheme all the way across it. Gonna get painted all the way back here with this orange, all the way back, all the way up. Make it look all uniform. Look at that. That's just nice paint. Looks beautiful already. Painted this up to where this is going to be the same color as it was. A little bit different up here to where we have this nice beautiful paint right here. Turned out like an enamel right here. Beautiful right here. Turns out beautiful on there. Made the truck just pop against that right there, the flat versus that. Just makes it go pretty right there. So, say need to clean the windshield.
Showing off the beast.
And ready to go. Mama Frank over there. We got the Honda over here. They just made a interesting rebar association. Nice door bar. Trailer for this car. Yeah, a few. Where they're hooking the bumper up. There's my trailer. Shortened up a little bit. Ready to go. I'll go get Tony's van over here. Got it all loaded up. So we can meet here early in the morning. And
otherwise you can't get to the battery.
here it is.
Yeah, those are the last pool noodles I had that were falling apart.
Another tire for the Avalanche. Maybe another one for the Avalanche, I'm not sure. Might be for the same. Pool noodles. That's it.
Put it away a little bit.